Ladies and gentlemen, we're going straight to local elections in November. And for the past couple of months, we're going to be speaking sizawudaka nca municipalities zalapha e-Eastern Cape. Between me and you, we are going to sizawuvelela inkalo ngenkalo, imibutho ngemibutho, kuthiwa kanene I must talk English. We are going to, let's go to the Nelson Mandela Bay, KwaBabsi, and look at the municipality, look at their budget, look at what is it that they do. The influence of the opposition parties. Look at the EFF. What is it that is, uyenza ntoni EFF in Nelson Mandela Bay? Now, I want us to talk about local municipalities. I want us to talk about the influence of opposition parties and how much the ANC is eating the money. How are they spending the money that comes from National Treasury, MIG, and all these places that it comes from. We are going to visit also those monies ufike kuthiwa lisuke China ku-investiwe apha eSouth Africa. We have to look at those monies sizijonge ubana zehla ngomphi umlenze. Just between me and you. Igama lami ndingubhuti ngunolali weGungqayi. I just want to invite you on the series. The series that we're about to embark on is going to be about that. This is YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for leaving a comment. Thank you for sharing the link. Look, do not forget to allow those adverts to play. It's very important that you allow those adverts to play. Don't skip, because kuthiwa izanipha imali. It's going to give me some money. It's going to pay me noba $0.0001 if you do not skip the adverts. So sanozi skip as adverts. Thank you so much. Now let's jump straight to it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you know that in the Eastern Cape, all the municipalities, when I say all the municipalities, I mean all the municipalities, except for Nelson Mandela Bay, they are led zikhokelwe ANC. Now, it's important that first we understand what are these municipalities, and because I know most of them. Let's look at the municipalities here in the Eastern Cape. The biggest municipalities. Municipalities in the Eastern Cape. I want to introduce you ndifuna qala sibe ne-understanding understand ubana abamasipala baphi batheni bandawoni, right? Okay. Jonga ke. This is how I can explain it to you. Ne? Andazi bendisakhangela into ze-podcast, but it looks like andide ndibe nayo imali yale podcast because I wanted my other bedroom to change it to be a podcast studio, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna manage financially unless you wanna donate to me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Eastern Cape, ne? Eastern Cape municipalities. Right. Of course, we're going to be detailed at some point. We're going to talk around how these municipalities get clean audit. Yeah, tell me a clean audit. Clean audit at many of these municipalities. Now, the biggest municipalities, my city number one, in Nelson Mandela Metropolitan, Nelson Mandela Bay is one of the biggest. EBCMM, I think it's the second biggest, if I'm not lying. Now, Nelson Mandela usuke by ukuthi ne, those are two metros. Is it metros up in Eastern Cape? Metros. Then number 3, Eastern Cape. Okay, calm down, Lou. Eastern Cape, we have 2 metros, right? In Nelson Mandela Bay, Buffalo City Metropolitan Municipality. Then from imetros masose siza ngela cala lebhayi sithi then ke ngoku siya siya kwi-districts. Now eyesithathu isara Batman uthi Amathol, uthi Chris Hani, uthi OR Tambo, uthi Alfred Nzo, uthi apha Joe Qabi. Now, it's important to understand the hierarchy of these municipalities. Ndiqala apha Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela is one of the municipalities, the metro, that has the most money. I don't know how many billions that they get. Yona nene ubabsi, these girls, ubabalwa Lobishe, Princess Faku, they get the biggest budgets. Ne? Then, followed by the Dinati 1, go 2, go 3, Amathol, go 4. Between these two, one of them is 4, 5, 6. You will get it. But when it comes to imali abayifumanayo ayilingani, of course, because iqhomeka nokubana umngakanani lo masipala le region okanye le district. Now we have 8 municipalities in the Eastern Cape. Yimange local municipalities. Under this, there's like 3 or 2 local municipalities. There's a couple of local municipalities here. Mbashe, Mnquma, Mahlathi, Ontsika Yethu, Sakhe Sizwe, niyazazi most of those local municipalities. Now, it's going to be very important that we get down to it. See, understand into yokokubana uqala apha ebudgetini. How much are these municipalities getting? This series will break down into yokokubana umasipala nomasipala ufumana malini. Sizawuya eNelson Mandela, sizawuphuma eNelson Mandela siye eBuffalo City, siphume eBuffalo City siye eChris Hani. eChris Hani, how much is it that they get per financial year and bayisebenzisela ntoni? Is that something that you would like to hear? Is that something that you'd like to hear? Is that something that you'd like to understand? Into yokokubana njengoba sivota njena sifumane 350, right? How much does our local municipality get? How much do they spend on salaries? How much do they spend on ukuklina umasipala lo wethu? Per year, how much do they spend or they get for infrastructural budget from MIG? Kukho fund, municipal infrastructural grant. How much is it that they get? And we're gonna go as far as getting to that particular fund and understanding ukubana, okay, maybe nikwe i-2 billion e-BCM. Kongezwa kule mali suka kwa-treasury. How much have they spent? Zintoni ezi project bazenzileyo? Babhatele bani nabani nabani? Then maybe at some point sizawuphikisana no-Auditor General, because Auditor General i-duty yakhe is to look at how the municipalities are spending. But because yonke le nto ekhokelwa yi-ANC, la mamenemene ayaxoka athi clean audit, whereas they buy that clean audit. There's no such. I'm going to give you a simple example. At this at Grey Kai Municipality, there's a recent headline. Even that headline, I'm going to explain. That particular headline is propagandous, if there's such English. It is driven by propaganda. I hope you can hear me. That Great Kai headline of the municipal clean audit, which is not true, it is driven by propaganda. They know very well that these municipalities, there's no clean audit there. They buy those clean audit. They buy those clean audits. Akho clean audit ngandawo apha. Bayayithenga i-clean audit. But now, because someone that I know, some group that I know, I'm going to call them extortionists, food, with a risk of being sued. I'm going to call them extortionists. They are politicians ngalamasela mancinci that are looking, bahlala bekhamisile, they want to benefit from these municipalities. Into abayenzayo, madoda, I'm oversharing. What they do, these little thieves of the ANC, they look at projects ezawuphuma phaa, babudget, but okay, John, kuza kwenziwa eLabala, kuza kwenziwa i-sports ground. We are going to put our construction company there. Bathatha i-construction company zabo, bazifake phayana, isogqiba bakolekthe. They collect, we used to call it a bribe, but now it's extortion. Because when you, a politician, are demanding a kickback from a construction company, that is not wrong. But because we are hungry, we are going to pay you, Tina, on contract. Now, at Greyguy municipality, I'm suspecting, and I'm alleging, they can sue me, that la masela ayaxabana because la MM waphayana, he can contact me 0839813800. That MM is refusing to hire the company that they want, the company that they know that they will benefit from. There's more where this comes from. I can get into detail, but for now, I wanted to introduce you to what we're going to be talking about for the next couple of months, where we're going to learn and get to understand what these municipalities are doing, what the budget is, and how exactly these municipalities are bootling this budget. We are going to engage with them at some point. Remember, this is election year, and people deserve to know into yokokubana la masela ayenza ntoni imali. We're gonna get down to it. I have all the time in the world. Igama lam ndinguBhudlondi Mnolali weGuqayi. And between me and you, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing the link. Thank you for leaving a comment. Until next time, let me now go and do my research. Enkosi kakhulu. Shap shap bye.